Bridge component detail. First step of bridge work: surveying of location. Then level and location submit to client. Then preparing DPR and drawing. According to DPR and drawing, start filing work. Then step 4, complete filing work. Start filing work. After complete the filing work, start file load test. If file load test is success, then start file load test. That is file. And after complete the file work, start file load test. If file load test is success, then start chipping of file. Chipping of file completed. After start the PCC work up to file cap. That is file cap. After PCC work, then start reinforcement work of file cap. Okay, file cap. That is file cap. Start file cap reinforcement, then concreting of file cap. After complete the filing cap work, then connected to all reinforcement. Accordingly, start crash barrier work. Then that is crash barrier of bridge component. Then start the pier work. That is the dia of pier, and that is overall structure part is pier. Then complete the pier work and start pier. Okay, pier cap. That is pier cap. That is pier. After pier, the complete of pier, that is then start pier cap work. That is pier cap. Use proper curing with concrete with approved admixture. Use approved admixture as per specification. After complete the pier cap work, start pedestal work. That is pedestal. That is pedestal. Pedestal to resist all upward force. And after complete the both pier, after complete the both pedestal work, install bearing plate. Bearing plate absorb all load that transfer to this load, continue to all structure and explode in soil. After complete the after complete the installation of bearing plate, then according to site condition, if girder precast, then launch the girder. If cast in situ, then start the girder work. After girder work complete, then start the slab work. After complete the slab work, then start plinth beam rail level. Thank you. Please take a screenshot. That is all component work of bridge structure.